This video is going to show you how to make blueberry fritters. You're going to use 4 biscuit rolls. They're 7.5 ounces. There's 10 biscuits in each. I already opened 3. This is the 4th one. And 1 can of blueberry pie filling. This is 1 pound 5 ounces. Okay, so we open this last one, throw it in with the rest of them. These are the littler biscuits. Separate all our biscuits. You can tear them in pieces if you want to, or leave them in the big pieces. But we're going to put the pie filling all over them anyway. So then, this is blueberry pie filling. I'm just going to dump that on them. Going to take our blueberry pie filling, put it in with our biscuit dough. Okay, then we're just going to mix them all together. So all the biscuits have blueberry pie filling all over them. Okay, just make sure they got it all over them. Now I have 2 loaf pans that are already sprayed with non-stick cooking spray that I'm going to put this in. Just regular bread loaf pans. Okay, once it's all nice and mixed, then we're going to put it in our pan. Okay, we're putting our blueberry fritter loaf in our greased pans. We're just going to put half in one, half in the other one. You can just eyeball this, it doesn't have to be exact. Then when these are done, we're going to put a little confectionery sugar glaze on them, just to make them a little bit sweeter. Okay, we got all that in the pan, and then you just even it out. We're going to cook it on 350 degrees for about 25 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. To make our glaze for our fritters, we've got 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted margarine, just melted it in the microwave, and 1 tablespoon of milk. And we just mix it all together. And we're going to use this as a light glaze on our blueberry fritters. Just mix it up just like that. Then when our fritters come out, when they're still hot, we put our glaze on so it soaks in really nice. And that is our glaze. I make it thicker because we put it on when the fritters are still hot, so it melts right in to the fritter. Our fritter loaves have just come out of the oven. I'm going to put some of our glaze on so it'll melt into the fritter loaf. Just let it melt all in. Just put half on one, half on the other of our glaze. And our fritters cooked for a total of 40 minutes till they was nice and brown around the edges. Because you don't want them soggy. You want them nice and done. And we'll put this confectionery glaze on so it can melt right in. Then we'll wait till they're nice and cool before we take them out of the pan. Okay? I hope you like my blueberry fritter loaf recipe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Here's the fritter loaf all out of the pans. Hope you like my recipe for blueberry fritter loaf. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.